my name is Victoria and I'm HR Manager at MentorMate. Today, I'm going to share with you some tips about organizing our daily routines in the context of remote working. It's important for all of us to feel productive, and it depends on our daily activities. You might find the upcoming advices common and familiar, but at the same time, the simplest things are the most difficult ones to achieve. So I challenge you to choose one of the shared activities and really implement it in your routine. First, if you haven't established a dedicated space, please do this. An idea that a colleague shared and I really liked is to have two dedicated workspaces, one for focused work and one for meetings. It is also likely that you share your space with family members and roommates. So in order to achieve balance, you need to communicate your working routines, your schedules, and your most important tasks. Second is to maintain a wellness routine. Just take regularly fresh air, take quick breaks away from the technologies and away from your chair. Exercise. Currently, there are plenty of videos and live sessions, and time is no longer an excuse, as you can exercise during the time of your commute to the office. Third, take care of your mental health and of your mind. Keep a good balance between your working tasks and your personal activities. I know that now it might be a bit challenging, and some of you can start earlier and finish later. And if you recognize yourself in this, really make a change so that you can prevent stress and burnout. Other tips to take care of your mental health is to spend quality time with your families, away from technologies and other distractions. Also consider breathing exercises for relaxation, read books, spend time in nature, involve yourself in a charity or volunteering initiative, and enjoy a hobby. And the last piece of advice is to keep your social connections alive. Again, it can be a bit challenging now when we have limited our personal contacts, but in order for us to feel complete, we need to keep and maintain our social interactions. My main advice here is always to prefer a call rather than chatting or messaging in the social medias or other channels, because quick meetings and calls are more effective and more pleasant. Okay, thanks for listening. These were the things and the habits that I have developed and really keep me stay energized, focused, productive, and happy. So I really challenge you to choose one new thing and try.